Welcome to our channel. Today, we're giving you a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to get approved for a Capital One credit card easily. Step 1. Check your credit score. Review your credit report and know your score. Capital One offers cards for various credit levels, so knowing where you stand helps you pick the right card. Step 2. Choose the right Capital One card. Select a card that matches your credit profile. For beginners or those with lower credit, look for secured cards or cards designed for fair credit. Step 3. Reduce outstanding debts. Lower your credit utilization by paying down existing balances. Keeping usage below 30% can improve approval odds. Step 4. Gather your personal information. Have your Social Security number, income details, and employment information ready. Accurate info speeds up the application. Step 5. Apply online through Capital One. Visit CapitalOne.com, select your card, and complete the online application. Some cards offer instant decisions. Step 6. Consider pre-qualification. Use Capital One's pre-qualification tool to see if you're likely to be approved without a hard credit inquiry. This helps avoid unnecessary credit score impact. Step 7. Wait for approval and activate your card. If approved, you'll receive your card by mail. Activate it online or through the app and start building your credit responsibly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.